Have you ever heard someone say, "My doctor prescribed Ozempic, but my insurance denied it"? At first, it sounds ridiculous. Your doctor says you need it. So why would your insurance company say no? The answer usually isn't as simple as they don't want to pay. In many cases, there's an entire approval process happening behind the scenes that most people never even know exists. Today, I'll explain why Ozempic gets denied, what prior authorization actually is, and what steps people can take if coverage is denied. Imagine your doctor prescribes Ozempic. You leave the appointment feeling hopeful, then you arrive at the pharmacy. The pharmacist says, "Your insurance didn't approve it." Confused, you wonder, "My doctor prescribed it. Isn't that enough?" For many people, that's the moment they first hear the words, prior authorization. Think of prior authorization like getting permission before a major purchase. Some medications are very expensive. Before paying, an insurance company may require additional information from your healthcare provider to determine whether the medication meets the plan's coverage requirements. That process is called prior authorization. Depending on the plan, the insurer may review things like your diagnosis, previous treatments you've tried, whether the medication is being prescribed for a covered use, and whether you meet the plan's clinical criteria. That doesn't automatically mean the medication will be denied. It means the insurer needs more information before making a coverage decision. This process has become especially common with GLP-1 medications because demand has grown rapidly and costs can be significant. Here's what surprises many people. A denial isn't always the end of the story. Sometimes the paperwork was incomplete. Sometimes your doctor can submit additional documentation. Sometimes an appeal changes the outcome. Every insurance plan is different, which is why it's important to understand your own policy instead of assuming every denial is permanent. The next time someone says, "Insurance denied my Ozempic," remember that the reason isn't always the same. Understanding how prior authorization works can help you ask better questions and have more informed conversations with your healthcare provider and insurer. If you're tired of confusing insurance language, subscribe to the Insurance Insider HQ. Every week, we break down complicated insurance topics into plain English. And if there's an insurance question you've always wanted answered, leave it in the comments. It might become our next episode.